the heart of Dubai's vibrant downtown district lies the epitome of luxury living, Burj Vista Apartment. Welcome back to Dubai Design Group's exclusive series, where we take you behind the scenes of our latest project. In today's episode, we're showcasing the intricate process of installing high-quality wooden doors, flooring, and kitchen cabinets throughout this luxurious apartment. From precise measurements to expert craftsmanship, every step of the installation process is carefully executed to achieve perfection. The flooring installation is a symphony of precision, as each plank is carefully laid to create a seamless and visually stunning foundation for the entire space. In the heart of the home, our craftsmen work tirelessly to install custom-designed kitchen cabinets that not only elevate the aesthetic appeal, but also maximize functionality and storage. Before the first nail is hammered, our team meticulously measures and inspects each wooden door, ensuring that every piece meets our stringent quality standards. Precision is paramount as our skilled craftsmen cut and shape each door to perfection, guaranteeing a flawless fit and smooth operation. Transform your space with bespoke wooden doors, luxurious flooring, and exquisite kitchen woodwork, exclusively crafted by Dubai Design Group. Stay tuned for more exclusive insights into our innovative design solutions. Dubai Design Group, where luxury meets innovation.